Hello everyone and welcome to the TPIF, the Perfect Impression Factory. So today I am going to introduce the Bluetooth speaker with party lights. So this party speaker has a great party vibe. This unique speaker has exceptional sound quality, wireless connectivity and different party lights to create electrifying atmosphere at your parties, your events, or even you are relaxing at your home. With advanced Bluetooth connectivity, you can connect any Bluetooth enabled device with this speaker and enjoy your favorite music. It's high quality sound speaker ensures you that you hear every bit and giving you the immersive audio experience. You can change the lights as per your mood. If you want to party, then you can put it on party mode, and if you want to relax, then you can put it on relax mode. This speaker is so lightweight and so compact in design, so you can carry to any party with you. And it has very long lasting battery life, so you don't have to worry about charging the speaker. This speaker is made with the premium material. You can feel it by touching and using it. This speaker has built-in microphone, so you can easily and conveniently make calls without using your hands, and you can also use voice assistants. चाहे आप कोई हाउस पार्टी होस्ट कर रहे हो या कहीं पिकनिक पे जा रहे हो, और you just want to elevate your hearing experience, your audio experience, this LED speaker will become the life of your party. Order your speaker today and let the party begin.